Hi everyone, this is Kasha. I'm feeling artsy and today we're going to draw this cute elf on the shelf. If you enjoy drawing with me, make sure you subscribe down below. To complete this project, you will need a piece of paper and a pencil and then something to color with. I'm going to use markers. We're going to begin by drawing a circle. You can find something round and trace it for a perfect circle, or you can just wing it like I am and go over your line several times until you get a circle that you like. Once you have your circle, you're going to divide it halfway this way and also halfway going up and down, and again draw these lines lightly. We'll erase them later. Then draw another line going this way and another one. So these two, you want to divide the space in 3 parts. On this line, we're going to put his or her eyes. And to do that, we're going to draw circles. You want to draw a circle in between these 2 lines. So we're making the eyes pretty big. I'm going to draw a little eyelid here. If you're drawing a girl, you want to add the eyelashes now. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3 eyelashes. If you're drawing a boy, just don't do the eyelashes. Inside the circle, we're going to draw another one for the pupil and also a light speckle inside of it. Now I'm going to draw a little upside down U right here to show that there's a cheek here and that he or she is smiling. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So a big circle in between your 2 lines, top eyelid, 3 eyelashes, another circle for the pupil, and a circle inside for the light speckle, as well as the upside down U for the smile. We're going to draw 2 dots on this line for the nose, and we're going to draw the smile. And if you're drawing a boy, just do a little smile like this. For the girl, let's add some lips, so 2 bumps and a bump at the bottom. We're going to draw ears, so on the side here, draw a D-like shape and a C-like shape. If you are drawing a girl, let's put 2 circles in your ears for the earrings. Now let's give him or her a little neck right here. And let's do the hat. So above the eyes, you're going to draw a line going across like this for the bottom part of the hat. We're going to do 2 little eyebrows right here, 1, 2, and the hair. So somewhere above this eye, you will start swinging this way for the bang. Come in and then swing again for the second piece of the bang. On the side, there's also hair, and let's do it on both sides. I'm going to change it to be like this. And actually this would be more for the boy. I think the girl has a little bit more hair showing, so you can extend it going this way and this extend it a little bit. You don't have to. Okay, so now for the hat. So we have this line here that's going to be the bottom part of the hat. We're going to round it up and then draw a second line parallel to this one, and this is the white part of the hat. Now The head will go above the head. So this is your head circle. So now let's go above the head to the side. So kind of follow your circle, but then start going out to the side. And flip it up, connect it from this way, and let's do a little pom-pom. I know the real elf doesn't have a pom-pom, but I think it's cute. You can skip it if you don't like the pom-pom. We can also draw a line here that will show like that the head is bent down. Fix this curve a little bit, and let's do the body. So on the bottom part of the neck, we're going to do this curve. Now come out to each side. This is going to be the collar, and we're going to do a zigzag. One down, one to the other side, and one here. Now we're going to draw the knees first, and the knees are like these long ovals. So this is the center line. So you're going to have one on each side, pretty close underneath the collar. Now from here we're going to draw the arms, and the arms are crisscross on the legs. So one would go here, and again draw all of these lines lightly because we will erase some of them. See how this actually covers it. Some part is white, so like this. You can erase these lines that you don't need, or you can wait to do it later. And then the other arm will also swing, but it will come under this one. So you can stop, and then you'll do a little U-like shape here. See, imagine this line, and then do a U-like shape. I'm going to extend my legs a little bit, and then I'm gonna give her a shelf. So right here where her butt would be, I'm going to draw a line going both ways, and then go up and draw a second line. And this is the shelf that she's sitting on. The one last thing that you can do, but don't have to, you can draw a little present next to her, and that's really simple. It's just a square with the line up here for the lid, two lines down for the ribbon, and then a little square and two loops for the ribbon. Okay, so my sketch is done. I'm switching to my liner now, which really is just a fancy name for a skinny black marker. For this part you can use a different black marker. You can use a Sharpie, you can use a crayon, colored pencil, or you can skip it all together and get straight to coloring. After I finished with my liner, and when I'm working with the liner, you know how in a lot of these places I have multiple lines. I'm going to pick one that I think looks the best, and that's the one I will trace. Later, when I'm done with the liner, I am going to take my eraser and I'm going to erase all of these pencil lines, and that will give me a lot cleaner look before I start coloring my elf. To color, I'm going to use markers. You can also use markers. You can use colored pencils, crayons. You can even paint your elf. Okay, my elf is done. Make sure to give me thumbs up and come back to see me soon.